First up on my list is the Creative for Orchids Madagascar 2024, a project that's always been full of energy and creativity. For this piece, I developed the core visual using a collage style that's become a hallmark of the festival's artwork. Alongside static visuals produced, I also brought the creative to life through motion graphics, as can be seen here, taking elements of the collage and animating them to add depth and movement. This was a chance not only to create a striking design, but also craft an immersive experience. Around the same time, in collaboration with Lydia and Andrew from the Digix team, I produced a series of motion graphics for a YouTube video showcasing behind-the-scenes work at KMCC. My role involved illustrating and animating pieces that explained key concepts in the film. It was an exciting challenge to create graphics that were not only visually appealing, but also clear and educational, a project where I got to flex my illustration skills in a meaningful way. The next piece of work I'd like to show is the creative for Wakehurst's Wonderwild, an evening event that ran last summer. The brief was to visually capture the essence of a musical journey through nature, a dream project for someone who loves combining creativity with storytelling. I used an illustrated approach to bring this idea to life, experimenting with a style that combined bold colors and textured details. The warm, glowing tones of a sunset inspired the palette, creating an inviting and captivating atmosphere that reflected the essence of the event. I've also had the opportunity to work on a couple of open brief projects that gave me the freedom to experiment and explore new ideas. One example is the Dig Deeper YouTube series Ident, created in collaboration with Andrew Brooks and Emma Greaves from Digix. For this project, I illustrated and developed a short, bold animation with a distinctive style. A particularly enjoyable aspect was designing a Halloween-themed version of the original animation, adding a fun, seasonal twist while staying true to the core ident. Another example shown here is a reimagining of the traditional Christmas card, created in collaboration with Lulu Esmerich. This project gave me the chance to explore a more playful side using bright, bold colors and clean, striking illustrations to bring a fresh and modern perspective on a classic tradition. Next is a quick look at a set of motion graphic scenes I illustrated and animated for Q's film about paramotorists collecting threatened plants in the Peruvian Lomas. This project was in collaboration with Lydia from Digix. The graphics were designed to overlay the film, helping to highlight and explain key aspects of the story. The last piece of work I'd like to share is the creative for this year's Orchids Festival, which will highlight the stunning orchids, landscapes, and wildlife of Peru. For this project, I combined photography with our signature Q Orchid collage style to create visuals that are both vibrant and intricate. I also designed two animated versions tailored to both daytime and evening events using motion to set the mood.